Today we're installing the Hikvision B1 into my Suzuki Jimny. It's the first time I'm making a video like this, so don't judge too hard. So yeah, I'm gonna just try. This windshield is quite steep, so they give you this little electrostatic film that you place on the window itself, and then you would use the double-sided tape that's at the bottom of this camera to attach that to the windshield, and then from there you can basically take the USB cable that they provide you and route it through your car to your where you will get power from to the camera basically. So yeah, let me do step one and I'll get back to you now and show you the progress. Okay, so camera is installed onto the windshield. Friendly warning, the electroplastic film that they give you and the double-sided tape is extremely sticky, so yeah, try be careful with that. And also the electrostatic film does tend to make bubbles, so I would recommend using a credit card or something similar to rub out the bubbles as you put it onto the windshield. Yeah, let me do the cabling quickly and then I will show you what the view looks like from the front of my garage, and then tomorrow I will go for a drive and then give you an idea of what it looks like. Not 100% sure if this will work long term. The angle does seem a little bit steep, but let's see how it goes. Alright, so what I've done is the cable is in the roof lining. As you can see, it's going up all the way through there. I managed to get it nicely and neatly into that corner. Some little pieces still poking out, and then this is where the hard part came in play. I couldn't get the cable to run through this bottom end. I was thinking of running it through this line here on the dash and then bringing it down all the way to the power section. So what I opted for was a temporary solution potentially, I'm not sure yet, but the cable's now going past the air vent through underneath this handle here, and then what I've done is I've taken it through it. If you can see, actually, here, there you go. I've taken it underneath here, and then there's a little pocket here that I've taken out, and that plastic plug, if I can find it, I'll show you. Okay. Oh, here we go. There's a little plastic plug that you can take out on the side that allows you to go through the cubby hold. I think you can probably see it there. Hopefully it's a little bit big. So you can see the cable coming through this way, and then I've just looped it all the way down underneath the cubby hold, so it should be good. Shouldn't catch on anything. Maybe this will be an issue. I'll test it now, but cubby hold can close, and then that all goes down to the power section where I can plug it in at any stage. And we are done. So for the next step, I'll just quickly show you what it looks like from my angle on this camera installation. But yeah, I hope this helped you, and I hope this video is something that you liked. It was a little bit of effort figuring out as I went, but yeah, installation done for now. Give a thumbs up and a like, subscribe, and all those nice things, and we'll see you in the next one.